to your nearest intake facility immediately. We promise nothing nefarious will befall you. We promise. Resistance members, report to the VIP section of your nearest intake facility for compulsory behavioral modification. It will be fun.
Your suit seems to be working nicely, blending right in. There is the assistant, and there is the infobot. Whew, masterful work. Now get out of there and decrypt that thing.
Where is the infobot?
Your ship is up ahead. Where are you going?
Hey, it's okay. See? Just me.
Rivet? Shh! Gotta go. Here, it'll help you get home. I designed it to be one size fits all, so it should... Thank you!
Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us? I mean, we haven't done anything heroic in years. What if everyone thinks we're washed up? Oh, what if we are washed up?
Luckily, we will not need to perform any heroics. Unless you count smiling and waving.
Right.
Give a big welcome to the Grand Marshals of our parade, Ratchet and Clank! I, Captain Copernicus Leslie Quark, will be your host. With me, Skin and Mars. And Rusty Pink.
Wow! Haven't seen these guys in ages! Hey, this...
After our heroes! Yes! Folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Starting with me! And ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet!
Oh dear, must he tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
It all started on planet Down, with Ratchet, a restless tinker, hungry for adventure. That night, Clank's ship came crashing from the night sky. Ratchet rescued the affected Warbot, and the rest is intergalactic history. The crowd goes wild! And now, our heroes will clear this festive barricade. invasion of Kurwa. Show the crowd some of those world-class sharpshooting skills. Last, the Hall of Heroes is safe.
Hey, I think I found the Wombat!
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of?
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Someone put a bounty on us?
I hope this is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route.
Oh dear, activating Magna Boots! Come on, let's keep this show going. So much for smiling and waving, huh?
I would bet the blogs are behind this, or the Cragmites, or... oh, Dr. Nefarious.
Ha, no way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
Watch out, the swamp in the waters!
Robobots, attack!
Our heroes vanquished is the enemy! Now, he must walk the dangerous flank of doom.
The mysteries of the Great Lock! Again with the... Emotional monologue prepared for this one.
More goons incoming.
Sweet bounty cat!
Let's take out that dropship and end this! A little rusty, but not too bad.
Are they gone? Oh. And now, we reach the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have repaired the Dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
Oh, pal, What? Dr. Nefarious?
Ratchet and Clank! What a wonderful surprise! I didn't expect to see you here. Considering my goons were meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago.
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Yes! Can't anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
To get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious!
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
Turn yourself in, Wombat!
You're still here? Of course you are! Why wouldn't you be?
I should have known Nefarious would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times. Come on, it looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Go, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Ratchet, my favorite customer. You now have access to the Omega line of weapons. Very exclusive. Enjoy Omega Destruction. Mrs. Zircon was betting you would pick that one.
More goons! Incoming! One more to go. The train's pulling away. Let's go. Put down the Dimensionator, Nefarious.
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler, it's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates. Say goodbye. Hey! What did you do?
Whoa! What just happened?
we may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot! There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the phase quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Did you see that?
That was rather exciting.
Like my ride, bro? Release the robots!
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not nearly enough.
Whoa! Watch your head!
This is worse than I had imagined. Sand sharks from above.
I knew you'd come.
Might as well give up.
Was that a kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
Nefarious' ship! We've got to find a way up there!
The taxis leaving from that stand are driving right by him.
Then we better not miss our ride. Hey, when did you rebuild the Dimensionator?
I have hobbies, and I know that finding the Lombaxes has always been important to you. I thought perhaps we could go together.
Wow, that's really thoughtful. But why don't we get it back from Nefarious first?
Yeah. We lost the Lombax after the taxi stand.
You what?
Mad respect for hiring us, but we're gonna need, like, a bonus for all this weird stuff.
A bonus? I've already paid you generously.
Next stop, Nefarious.
These rifts are getting out of hand.
Nefarious is in way over his head.
What is that?
Whoa! Hey!
Never go planet hopping without ample supplies. Mrs. Turcon will see you back.
Did Dr. Nefarious really resurface after all these years just to try and take over the universe again?
Yeah! I kinda wish he was doing a worse job!
Get to the boss!
More mutts!
Nice work, Ratchet.
Couldn't have done it without you, pal. All right, Now let's get to Nefarious.
You two, these goons are useless. This is what I get for giving my assistant paid paternity.
Quickly, we cannot let the Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses.
Did that hurt? Good.
Take that, Nefarious.
Gotcha.
Codes are so unpleasant. His defenses are...
Yeah. Run from me.
Oh dear, he is targeting us. Boys, where did Nefarious find these?
Today my ultimate plan will come to fruition. It is perfect, flawless, and nothing will stop me.
How many times have we heard that?
Probably around 80. No, it doesn't matter. Today will be the last time. Watch your step!
That looked rather painful.
You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
How bad is it?
Well, it is certainly not good.
Great!
Where are we?
Beats me.
To the depths! How many arms you got?
Pulling.
We've been boarded! Get off me ship, foul creature!